Hi, I'm Mark Fensel, Spanish teacher at Marysville Early College High School, and it's my honor and privilege to be your child's teacher for Spanish 1 this semester. While we're facing some unique challenges and circumstances this year, the fundamentals remain the same. My primary objective for every student of mine, regardless of the level of Spanish they're taking, is for them to develop confidence with the language and the ability to communicate with native speakers in a culturally competent manner. So to that end, our in-person, face-to-face time will be conducted 90% or more in the target language. It's largely discussion-based as students acquire high-frequency language that they can use both inside the school walls and immediately outside in the larger community, and for them to better understand the culture of the Spanish-speaking world. Our outside work is when we'll do some more targeted explicit grammar work to help students process what they're hearing, reading, and seeing in class. There'll also be videos that expand on topics, and we culminate with a class novel in December, along with an accompanying e-course. Let's take a look at Unified Classroom. From this menu, select a class, make sure it says S1 for semester 1. And now we're at our dashboard. In the upper right corner, you'll see recent assignments. We just took a geography quiz. Down below that, that's our activity feed where I will post important announcements and the link to my Zoom office hours, which are from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock every Wednesday. Right here in the middle, you can see your students' progress on our standards, which are based on the American Council on Teaching a Foreign Language, as well as the Ohio Department of Education Foreign Language Standards, and are done based on the MECHS Mastery Grading System. Over on the left, click on Class Pages. This is where I post all of our remote work. If your student is an A student, they will click on A Student Agenda. If they're a B student, that's right below. Each remote day's work is posted separately. I give step-by-step instructions. I would normally give instructions like this in Spanish. However, I acknowledge that could create difficulties with parents who don't speak the language, who also want to keep their kids accountable for their work, so they're in English. Please feel free at any time, if you have questions, concerns, reach out via Unified Classroom message or by email. My email address is mgfensel@mevsd.us. That's MG like Michael Golf Fensel at mevsd.us. I look forward to a great semester. PTBM.